it's Sharon from Sharonatsea, and I am back today with another product review, and this is something a little different. You know, we're kind of a cruising travel channel here. We usually review mostly travel products, but one of the companies that had sent us a cool travel toiletry bag sent us this kind of cool product. It is made by Lavievert, and it is a children's canvas teepee playhouse. Now you're probably wondering, like, you know, what are you going to do with this? Well, you know, it can come in handy. Maybe you want to take it on some kind of an outdoor camping trip, take it on, you know, an outdoor adventure you might do. You know, you can just do anything with it, and if you have children, it can come in really handy. The holidays are coming up, so I thought it'd be a cool thing to kind of just review on the channel, just kind of fun, different. So there you go. We're going to put this thing together and show you how it works and give you some examples. All right, we're going to get this thing put together. It comes in a nice little canvas carrying case here. So let's pull everything out and we are going to get this thing put together for you. All right, it comes with some instructions here, and it looks pretty simple to put together. We just took everything out of the nice canvas carrying case there, and we have Jamie here today to put this together for us, and he's gonna tell you what we have here.
All right, so everything comes in a nice little carrying case, and at the end it has kind of a cinch pull string with a little plastic lock right there, so that's kind of cool. That way you can pack it back up again and carry it around. I did notice, always important, instructions. The instructions look pretty easy to read. Also, you can look online and see the instructions. I might have taken a peek at them beforehand to get an idea. But it looks pretty simple and easy to put this thing together. We got our pine holes right here. We have some, looks like some good hard plastic connectors and a little piece of rope that we'll learn what to do with later. And here we have the teepee, and I believe we will unfold this to find some more things in here. Let's shake this thing open and start getting this bad boy put together. All right, so I already got one of the pine poles put together. Pretty simple deal. Each pole has two ends. One has a small little hole in it. All right, you can see right there. The other end is kind of a trimmed down. Each one of these trimmed down ends are going to go in a plastic sleeve. Okay, and then what I find to be the easiest thing is give it a little tap on the floor. And they go together rather nicely. So we're going to do that for the rest of these, and then we're going to show you how they go into the canvas teepee. Alright, so I got my 4 pine poles attached together, and this is kind of cool. It does come with one extra plastic sleeve, maybe in case you break one, I'm not sure. And so next move, you're going to put the pine poles into the teepee. Let me show you how this thing sets out. So we unfolded the teepee. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these poles, hopefully without breaking anything, and we're going to slide it into the sleeve here. See how difficult that is. Alright, so there you go. See how that slides in? And then we're going to repeat that process for each one of the other 3 brown sleeves on the outside of the teepee. So now we have our 4 pine poles put through the sleeves here on the teepee. And what I thought earlier might have been a window covering or something like that, well, guess what? I was wrong. It is the bottom of the teepee. You'll notice on one side, it's kind of a nylon type of deal, so you can put it directly on the ground and it'll keep dirt and moisture from coming through. And on the other side is a canvas material, nice and soft, and each corner has a little pocket in it. So what you'll do is you're going to slide the one end of each pine pole into the bottom pockets, and that ought to keep everything safe and secure. So let's take this and put it on the ground over here. You can kind of get a feel for the size already. And then I'm going to grab my teepee and see if we can start putting this thing together. Okay, so we got our base set up on the floor, and now we're going to take, like I said, each end of the pole and slide it into the corner pocket. Sounds like I'm shooting pool. Let's put one in there. Let's see how easy this teepee really does go together. All right, I'm going to pull each side down. So it goes to the base of the pole. All right, okay, so we've got the base set up, we've got the poles in place, and now what are we gonna do with this little area here? Well, it comes with two little cotton ropes, looks more like shoestrings, but these will do the trick. And what we're gonna do is we're going to put these through the holes in the poles. I'm a poet and I don't know it. Then we're gonna cinch this all together. All right, so there's one, and then also there's one more little string that'll come with it, and that you can use to actually tie the inside top of the teepee together right here. Now, if you want to, you can leave it open so the kids can get a little light in there. Maybe they can look up and at the stars if they're in the backyard. Or you can cinch it down if you know, you don't want any mosquitoes getting in or anything like that. You're trying to secure things. All right, so you can tie that together, and that's kind of the deal. I think we have it going on right here. Now we'll just spread things out a little bit. You got the front door right here. It's got Velcro latches. Okay, you can roll it back and tie it up. And now you're ready for a kid's teepee party.
Okay, here's a little look at the inside. It has these little pockets here on the inside where kids can kind of keep some of their toys or little maybe books or iPad these days, something like that. There are little windows, and there's little, they roll up on the side so they can be closed or open. There's also one on the other side as well, window. There's a little look at the inside. It does have this water resistant bottom here, so that's great if you plan to put this outdoors for the kids to play on. There's a little look at the outside of the window. They have the little sides that roll up, and you can also let them flop down if you want it closed like that. All right, it's ready for use. The teepee is all put together. Now we need someone to kind of test drive this little thing here. Like I said, it is made of 100% cotton canvas. You can wash it. You can, it does suggest that you iron it. It is a little wrinkly right now, so you can iron it out. It'll look a lot nicer that way. You can color on it. Kids can color on it, decorate it however they like, leave it like this. However, some great options for outdoors. You know, if you're going camping, you're just doing a camping trip, you want a place for your kids to get shade, to play in. Also, another option is to take it to the beach. This would be great to sit on the beach if you're going to be there for the whole day. It does provide a lot of shade for the children. So there you go. This is a fun little thing for kids. I would suggest kids probably, if you're going to, maybe 4 and under. Older kids can get in it if they're sitting down, but as far as walking in, you know, for this door size here, I would say about 4 and under for that size. It is about 5 feet tall. You can tell I'm 5'7", so you can tell the height by me here. It is 5 foot by, and the width is 49.6 inches. So there you go. Has nice windows on the side. And once again, this is the children's Teepee Playhouse made by Lavievert. And now let's get a little guy in here to test drive this. Maxwell, you like the teepee tent?
Yeah, I like
All right, and you can purchase this item on Amazon, or you can also go under my link and purchase it on amazon.com/shop/sharonatsea.